My name is Johnny Pineryo of the Pineyro law firm, and today we're meeting a client that was injured in an automobile accident. Some of the questions that we typically get in automobile accident cases from the start is, how is my attorney going to come see me, or do I need to go see my attorney? It's very common for the injuries to prevent the person from traveling to a lawyer's office. So we at the Pineyro law firm make every effort to travel to our clients, be it at home, at the office, or at the hospital. One of the things that we do at the firm is, regardless of whether you live locally or out of town, we make arrangements to make sure we're there as quickly as possible. It's important for us to document as much as we can with regard to not only the injuries, but how the accident occurred. It's very common due to inclement weather for accident sites to become tarnished or affected by rain or other elements. So we try to make sure to get out to the scene as quickly as possible. In order to do this, of course, we need to have an agreement signed by the client and our office allowing us the opportunity to represent that family or person involved in the accident. So today we're going to get the opportunity to meet with our client who is in the hospital. We're going to travel to our client and go over the different documents that need to be signed to give us the authority to go forward. These documents are available on our website. If you go on www.justicedeserved.com, you can also call us toll-free 1-800-693-1912, and we can send you a sample of the documents that you would be signing. Specifically, you would have to sign a retainer agreement along with a statement of client rights. These are all documents that clearly identify what our duties and responsibilities are, what kind of expenses or costs you can expect. And in these types of cases, we will never, ever charge you unless and until we can recover for you. In addition, we also have you sign authorizations for health care, medical records. These are forms that you would sign that would allow us access to very confidential and private medical information. We also expect you to sign documents that allow your own insurance company to provide us and release information about your insurance. Sometimes your insurance is involved in these accidents, and we want to make sure that we make sure all these different aspects are covered, especially early on. Insurance companies typically try to do what they can to not only delay but deny payment, and so we try to force the issue sometimes by getting to them as quickly as possible and giving them as much information as they can. In Florida, if an insurance company does not, in a timely manner, pay the money that it's supposed to pay in a case, they could be held responsible for additional bad faith damages. So we do everything we can to provide them not only the time but also the information necessary so that the insurance company can make the right decision early on and not have to have you or your loved ones go through a second victimization process whereby they're waiting and waiting and waiting before receiving any compensation for injuries. If you have any questions about this, please call Johnny Pineryo at Pineyro Law. You can reach us at 1-800-693-1912. Our website is www.justicedeserved.com.